Welcome back everyone, Mudford here, downstairs in the basement working on the King stove. It's a US stove pellet furnace. You can see that I'm having problems when I have a tote of pellets next to it.
Any of our videos and our projects and they've helped you out any way or you really enjoyed them, you can hit the like button, you can comment on the videos, you can share the videos with your friends on social media so that other people will watch them. That'll help us out a lot. And you know those annoying ads that come on and there's a skip button? Just don't hit the skip button. It doesn't cost you anything, just watch the ad all the way through. That really helps us smaller channels out a lot. And if the ad is anything even remotely something you might be interested in, go ahead and click it because that really helps us out. So thanks a lot.
So you can see I got a little bit of a fire going in here right now. You can see the agitator's working. I'm gonna grab a handful. That's how I'm keeping it running right now. Because my auger's jammed. So if you look down in here, this whole tote full here was in the hopper. And you can see that we have a lot of fines in here. And the auger's jammed. When I hit the auger button, nothing even happens. I'm holding the button down, holding the auger button right now. Nothing's happening. So we've got a bunch of those fines jammed in the auger. So what I'm doing now, if I was smart I would have the correct size wrench, but I didn't have one handy. So I'm just taking the cover off the auger. I'm going to try to get it all vacuumed out and then put it back together and get it working again. I'm going to do all that while hopefully remembering to keep feeding the stove every few minutes to keep it running. So right now I'm just going to take these two nuts off. It's not going to be pretty because I'm going to do it with these channel locks. So I'm just going to skip ahead. I got one more nut off, and when I took it off it popped out and some pellets fell. So we've got a lot of pressure. I'm waiting to see how bad it's jammed up here. So let me get the other one off. Cover off. You can see right into the fire pot now. And with the cover off, it is unjammed. I'm going to hold the switch down here, which is not really safe. But you can see the auger moving when I do that. So what I'm going to do now is just hold the button down on the control panel and try to get all of this crap out of here into the stove. This is the reason why it is important to buy quality pellets and to make sure they don't get wet at all. Usually I'm very good about that. I haven't had a jam like this in quite a while. Just holding the on button down with my knee and holding the hopper lid switch closed. And I'm trying to get as many of them to fall out as I can, but without the back cover on, a lot of them are falling off backwards. But at least the auger is freed up now. Now I'm just going to use my ash vacuum to get everything I can out of here. Okay, we got all the dust out that we could with the vacuum. It looks pretty clean now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the cover back over the auger. And then we will put a few pellets in there and see if it works right. It should. Okay, the auger cover is back on. I threw a few pellets in. And we're going to see what it does now. Okay, it appears to be working. Okay, you can see the auger working now. Hopefully we get the auger filled up and get some to fall into the firebox before my fire goes out. So right now I'm just holding the feed button on to get the auger filled up all the way. And it looks like our fire is just about out. We're going to need some pellets real soon to keep it going. Okay, there we go. The fire took off now. And if you watch closely, you can see some pellets falling down the chute. So the auger is unjammed and working properly.